What are the key components of an invention?
The key components of an invention are the subject, verb, object, fact, frame, motive, and inspiration. Each of these components plays a crucial role in shaping the invention process and determining the outcome of the invention.
How do these components interact with each other?
These components interact with each other in a dynamic and interconnected manner. The subject represents the entity or concept being invented, while the verb denotes the action or function performed by the invention. The object refers to the main tool or component used to achieve the desired outcome, and the fact encompasses the scientific principles or phenomena involved in the invention. The frame relates to the design, structure, or framework within which the invention operates, while the motive reflects the underlying purpose or intention driving the invention. Finally, the inspiration component encompasses the sources of creativity, insight, or influence that inspire the invention.
Can you give examples of inventions that exemplify each component?
Sure, an example of an invention that exemplifies each component is the light bulb. The subject of the invention is the light bulb itself, the verb is the action of providing illumination, the object is the filament or LED that emits light, the fact is the scientific principles of electricity and thermodynamics that enable the bulb to function, the frame is the glass enclosure that protects the filament and directs the light, the motive is the need for artificial lighting to illuminate indoor spaces, and the inspiration may have come from previous innovations in lighting technology or the desire to improve upon existing solutions.
How can understanding these components help aspiring inventors?
Understanding these components can help aspiring inventors by providing a structured framework for conceptualizing, designing, and implementing their ideas. By systematically addressing each component, inventors can clarify their objectives, identify potential challenges, and develop strategies to overcome them. Additionally, understanding how these components interact with each other can help inventors anticipate the implications of their design choices and optimize their inventions for maximum effectiveness and efficiency.
Are there any limitations to the theory of invention?
While the theory of invention is comprehensive, there may be limitations such as its applicability to certain types of inventions or its ability to account for subjective factors such as individual creativity or cultural influences. Additionally, the theory of invention may require further refinement and validation through empirical research and practical application. Despite these limitations, the theory of invention remains a valuable tool for guiding and informing the invention process, providing inventors with a structured approach to innovation that can enhance their creativity, productivity, and success.